Hey everyone, in today's video we will be unboxing Fab Bag for the month of April. So this time it's a beautiful floral purse. It has a slight like a glazing effect to it. So the inside of the purse, it's like the regular Fab Bag purses and it's cute. I'm not sure if you have other colors or designs available, but this one with that pink zip and all definitely looks pretty. So the theme of April is Sassy Spring, and I think the picture, the purse color, everything is in line with the spring theme. So we have 4 full-size products and a bonus product. Starting with the first one, which is a full-size makeup product by the brand Sharisa India. It is a completely Indian brand, cruelty-free and vegan makeup. So this you have shade options as well. I really like the packaging. It's like that maroonish color. Even the lipstick packaging is really nice. It's a frosted body with a plastic-like cap, but it looks very nice. At the bottom, you have the shade indication as well. Overall, I'm really happy that I get to try a different brand here. So this is the texture. It's like a moussey texture, a semi-matte finish, and it has a chocolate-like fragrance which I really like, and I absolutely love this shade. It is so beautiful and I love the entire packaging also. So within like about 2 to 3 minutes of application, it almost sets into a non-transferable matte, and I think it's going to be very comfortable on the lips. The second one is by the brand Vriksha Veda. It is their Floral Fusion. So this is a completely Indian brand, paraben free, cruelty free, etc. So this is basically like a bunch of flowers which you can use for steaming your face, like steam inhalation for the face, basically like a facial. Alright, so these are the fresh flowers that we have. It has a very nice herbal fragrance which I absolutely love. It's very easy to use. You can just have some boiling water, like boil the water with these flowers and just take the inhalation. The ingredient list is really amazing and I love these kind of products. These are really very unique to try. The next product that we have here is the Body Mist by Plum. It is the vanilla vibes. I think everyone will receive the same variant. Vanilla is this one of their bestseller fragrances. It's a very nice classic vanilla fragrance and it's like a body mist. I think summer appropriate because we do not want really heavy fragrances now, and it can be a very handy product also because it easily fit inside the purse and it has a nice spray mechanism. The next one is by the brand Baiser India. We have received products before by Baiser. So this one is a mask basically, and this one contains fuller's earth, beeswax, etc. So the mask texture definitely looks like multani mitti, fuller's earth, just like that. It's like a very creamy, moussey kind of texture. So this is the 4th product which is common for everyone, and the packaging is convenient. It's very easy to use also. And the bonus skincare product that we have here, as in the one that I received, is by the brand Cabis. It is the French pink clay, but then you could receive something totally random from one of their previous editions. So that would be your 5th product, a full-sized skincare product. So yeah, these are all the products that we received in Fab Bag April edition. If you're interested, you can go ahead and purchase. You have my 10% discount code as well, which you can see on screen. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think I really like the lipstick and the body mist and the Floral Fusion this time. That's it. Take care. Bye-bye.